I let you like lie.
How do you turn the names and stuff off? You can't do it?
I'm pretty sure you can. If it was in a well, wait. I'm not. Wait. Yes.
Whew. I can't really hear the supercharger that well.
I think I'm the only. I think this car's stock.
You said stop.
Yeah.
It is straight mobbing on Unbound already. Oh my god, the frames.
Wait. Okay.
Ooh, gas station.
They actually did. They did a perfect job with the environment.
Heck yeah, they did a phenomenal job with the map on here.
But the party label is still gonna be on top of.
I gotta get it. Gotta get it. They got the drag tire on the cat. They don't got no wicker grill for it, I'm assuming. Ooh, they got the diffuser though. Okay. Well, they got a little bit of good customization for it.
Bonkers.
Red light.
Realistic jet. Realistic jet would be like.
Yes, sir. This is fire.
Need for speed. Okay. Oh shit.
Yeah, freaking Explorer
okay.
just cut me. Ooh, look at the look at the freeway.
The background is perfect. Like the buildings all the way. Oh, wow.
You got the Ferris wheel in the background. You got cars to cut up through.
I know Matt let them in no hezzies.
Oh, the rollers, bro. The rollers.
Perfect.
Look at this, bro. Look at this freeway.
Perfect for what you like doing. For what y'all like doing this week.
Oh, bro.
The view is really.
Yeah, the view is nice.
The graphics are, man.
Do a little roll.
Alright, bet.
Gonna get smoked by that cat. Hey, what's the horn on here? I forgot. There you go.
It's this song.
Oh, heck no. That Hellcat fast as heck. That Hellcat fast as heck. Oh, this is dope, man. Like this.
344 420.
Do it. I'm gonna hear that fly by in that cat. Jeez. Do a quick little roll. I'm ready. Yeah, I should keep my car stuck. Let the R32 fly by. To be honest, I think this connects to another freeway though.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does.
Wow. Play right now.
That's crazy as heck. Dang, that joint moves, bro.
Look at
what the heck?
cutting. Oh wow.
Joint moves.
The hood camera was kind of perfect for what I could tell. Why y'all are doing.
Man, I freaking windows are like shattered.
Yes.
This freeway's still going.
Longest freeway ever. Oh shit.
Dang. Hey, look, you got a little group of people over there just talking. You got the DuPont Plaza. Oh yeah, they got a cheese restaurant. Oh yeah, I'm finna get some cheese. Hold up, let me park over here real quick. They give me some cheese. Cheese. Man, Joe don't know. Joe don't know nothing about that cheese.
Yeah, no, I'm not really a cheese person.
About that cheese.
I'll eat cheesecake though.
About that cheese.
You gotta ask certain things back, man.
Oh my god, that Mustang. Bro. You got like shift up. Your car loud as heck. Yeah, that's if you want to hear his car.
I'm pretty sure I stay listening to B though.
Mustang, bro. Mustang and Need for Speed, man. Oh my god.
Damn. Things that quick. R32 then.
Wonder if it's a 10 speed. Probably a 6 speed.
Is it that cold though? It could be.
Toll booth. Now you ain't gotta worry about it.
Is that like gas station? Yeah, that's not. Oh, yeah, I'm working it.
Look at that.
Okay.
About to explode. They just having issues, bro.
Definitely blows.
Yeah, I popped my turbo. That Mustang got me. Dang. Yeah, I wish they would have had the coupe, and I wish they would have had the GT500 bumper swap on that. They would have did if they would have did that. That would have been perfect. I'll see y'all in the next video. Take it easy.